In this video, we will be discussing the use of OCR, which is typewritten text. You will learn how to set up a region in the template and read forms with OCR in Remark Office OMR. In this example, you will begin by defining the hospital name as your OCR region. Remark Office OMR reads the text and defines this pre-printed text as an OCR region. This way, you can match the hospitals to each response given. For now, we are capturing a placeholder, but the filled-in forms will have actual hospital names. Select the hospital unit node, then click Region, Insert, OCR region before selected region. Click and drag your cursor over the pre-printed text region leaving extra space for possible longer names. Once you release your mouse, a Properties window will appear. Here you will define OCR regions and any other details. In the Region Definition box, define the region name. For the OCR type, we recommend using primary. Select whether the text captured is textual or numeric in the data type. If needed, choose the orientation of the language. Choose the language, if needed, under Language. The OCR image pre-process options are generally left unchanged. We only recommend changing these options if you run into difficulties when reading forms. If the text in the OCR region you are defining contains more than one word, check the box for Region contains more than one word. If the text in the OCR region you are defining contains more than one line of text, check the box for Region contains multiple lines of text. If desired, you can limit the character set. For example, if you are only capturing a number, you can limit the recognition to numbers to help the software understand your text. After you have defined the region's properties, click OK. Now you will see a purple box around the region you have defined and a new node in the tree view under Page 1. You can adjust the length and width of the purple box by dragging the marked edges. Save the template via the Save Toolbar button. Then click File, Launch Remark Office OMR. Next, open the form in the Data Center by first clicking Read, then select Read Images if it is not already selected. Click Next, then find your completed hospital surveys. Click on the file, then click Add Selected, or simply double-click on the file. Then click Read. By reading some of the filled-in forms, we can now see that the text was captured from the form. You have successfully learned how to use OCR. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Thanks for watching.